Kasi kailangan niyang magpunta sa hospital, guys. Dahil...
Put that over there because I'm gonna bring it downstairs. We don't have space here.
Good morning, Philippines!
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
Good morning po, guys. So, ngayon, 10:30 na, and then, ngayon pa ako nag-start. Ay, naginawan ako sa labas, pero sabi pa nila mamaya daw, maganda daw yung temperature, pero tignan natin. Pag maganda yung temperature mamaya, lalabas ako, maglinis lang ako konti, and then mamayang gabi na ako maliligo. Kasi kapag meron akong mga ginagawa, nagka-crack talaga, guys. Naginawan ako ngayon kasi sobrang basta maaga talaga, sobrang ginaw, so kaya sinuot ko to. And si Tammy papunta dito, pero hindi ko sure kung anong oras siya magpunta kasi may hinihintay siyang package. Nagtutupi ako doon sa closet, naglalaba, nag-edit ako, nag-upload. So yun, hinihintay ko rin si Tammy kung kailan siya makadating dito. Anyway, i-open ko lang tong window. Yung blind, kailangan i-open para may araw na makapasok. Nag-usap kami kanina. Sabi ko, gusto mong kunin kita dyan para hindi ka na mag-drive kasi may naramdaman pa daw siyang sakit. So, hindi daw yun mawawala. So, sakit daw. So, kayanin daw niya. So, yun, kayanin niya. Pero guys, nakatingin ako sa labas, guys. Doon sa dalawang kahoy sa likuran namin, nag-start na talaga siyang magdahon. Nag-start yung liso niya, yung nag-start na siya nag-bloom. At nakikita ko na din yung yard namin nag-green konti. So, tataas na yan. Then, mag-start na tayong mag-cutting ng grass natin. Excited ako sa summer, pero hindi ako excited sa pagkakat ng grass namin. Mamaya na ako maligo before bedtime kasi alam nyo na. Pero tumawag si Tammy, sabi niya papunta na siya sa hospital. Kasi kailangan niyang magpunta sa hospital, guys, dahil kunin yung record. Kasi yung appointment niya bukas sa neurologist. Kailangan nila ng records sa yung record niya sa hospital, yung nagpunta siya doon. Kailangan niya. So kaya si Tammy kailangan kukuha sa hospital. So, yun. Maaga kami bukas. Yung appointment ni Tammy, sobrang aga. Mga, anong oras? 9:30. Layo pala dito. Akala ni Tammy, nagpagawa-gawa siya ng appointment. Ang layo pala. 49 degree pala. Maginaw pala. Akala ko okay yung panahon. Maginaw pala. Him! Him! Hello! Dada! Dada, Dada, Dada! Dada's here! Dada! Who's here? Dada's gonna be here! Hello! Hello! Maginaw pala talaga sa labas, Hindi pala talaga pwede si Mama mag-garden today, Maginaw pala talaga. Because Dada is such a good Dada, and Dada is love, what we're going to do for Dada to make his life comfortable, we have to do something for Dada
to make his life comfortable. Okay? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is carry this heavy marble with my two teeny tiny little hands. That's what I'm going to do. Hopefully.
So, i-carry ko lang yung marble table. Alam nyo ba ang bigat niyan? Sobrang bigat. Ang gagawin ko is, I'm going to put it aside, the side over there, and then, to get the table off from here. Because, what I'm going to do is put a airbed over here. Because my husband, I want my husband to be comfortable.
Okay, Mr. Dad, I need to be comfortable.
I want my husband to be comfortable because at night he sleep over there with me, of course, and in his habit of, you know, transferring in here in the couch, and the couch is too small, plus he has a pain in his back. So what I'm going to do is put a airbed here for him, that, you know, if he want to be like away from me and the dog, and he want to be like spread his legs everywhere, he has his own airbed. So yun ang gagawin ko.
It's so heavy.
Agay. Whew. My back is already killing me. Anyway, so fast forward tayo. Me. So now, for now, I just leave it there. So ngayon, ang struggle ko when I put it back, hindi ko kaya. I promise guys, I promise. Hindi ko kaya. We have more tupiin. So marami tayong tutupiin. Tapos na yung nilagay ko yung bed, look. Airbed. So meron ng airbed si Tami dyan. Kapag mga 3 o'clock hanggang daytime, gusto niyang pahiga-higa, ganon. At ngayon, importante kasi dahil sa likod niya, dahil sa sakit niya, na naramdaman sa katawan niya dito, mostly sa hips at saka sa likod, sa legs din. And parang kumakanat, gumaganon yung pain from hips to legs. Madami-dami din. Kaninang umaga, nagtupi ako. So, at ngayon, meron tayong extra more tupi and tupi.
Where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was...
Yeah, meron akong 3 maliit na sako. Hindi katulad sa atin, yung sako is malaking sako. Dito, ito yung classic binili ko kasi mura siya kaysa Jasmine. Yung Jasmine kasi is 21 bucks. 21. And then, papunita lagi. Hindi ka na magutom yung Maryann. Yung mais marami. Si Tami, papunta na yung dito. Did you guys eat your din? Who did? Tell me. Who's here? Somebody's here. Dada's here. Hello? 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 Hello?
Did you make me the puppy?
You miss you already.
Make me little puppy?
Han?
Well, that noise for a little thing.
Hello, look.
That's a lot of noise for a little puppy.
She gets
That's a lot of noise, little puppy.
She gets so excited.
Yeah, okay. I need to say hello to the little man, too. We're just not the only ones. I seen you a couple days ago. My little man I haven't seen for weeks, many weeks. Oh, I know you're there. I know it. I know. Thank you.
Kisses.
Thank you for my kisses. Hey, little man.
Where are you going, Bug? Okay, can I get something in your car? Do you have food, right? Nagdala si Tami ng mga pagkain galing sa isang bahay kasi we have a lot of food over there because of the freezer. So I see you went to store. You stop somewhere.
Brussels?
You really, you're lying to me. What? You are such a lying, boy.
Oh, I didn't stop at Chico's.
You went to a different store.
I stopped at Stop and Shop. They had nothing. They had Brussels sprouts and they had another thing of vegetables. And that was a steak.
No, it's fake. You still have more? Hala, you buy clementines?
Yeah.
Let me see what my husband got from the store. This is really heavy. What did he got? He got cheese. Han, you told me you're not getting any cheese.
What?
But you did get cheese. Mixed vegetables.
I brought cheese from the house so before I go back.
Wait, Isabel got a lot of this and gave it to us. Like we're gonna be. This one.
No, she got those two long ones.
Huh?
She got the two long ones.
So you got this?
Yeah.
Is this refrigerated?
This she got. This they got them $5.99, so I got $5.99. You can put them in the freezer if you need to.
Of course, we're not gonna eat it all. Seriously? Stuck na ng food, guys. This is refrigerated too, right? And what are we gonna do with this? Where did you get this?
Shower.
Put that over there because I'm gonna bring it downstairs. We don't have space here. This is mixed vegetables.
Nice grass, but no catnips.
The catnips is over there. Oh, it's growing. Whatever you got. Get oatmeal from the other house too. Tami, bumili si Tami ng maraming clementines. So, meron kami maraming clementines dito, guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh my God. Han, big like, my God, this camera.
These are stronger than regular 9-volt batteries too. I like that.
He electrocuted himself, guys.
What?
I'm happy my husband, you know, it's not like crazy in pain. You're crazy in pain?
Yes.
You're in pain?
She got it. No.
Like really bad?
Bad enough. Why are you eating the new one, not the old one?
Because I wanna try this.
Okay. What are you crying about now?
This is very sweet. Matamis, guys. Matamis, pero yung mukha nakaganon. And it's kind of cold too. Sinuot niya yung binili sa ano. Forgot where we got this. Models. Bumili siya. Gusto niya itong mga pajama na ganito. Gray and black.
I really like this brand. The brand is Cargo brand.
Okay.
And I don't find it anywhere else except Models, and Models will be out of business in a couple of weeks.
It's already done. I'm not cooking any meat. We have a different kind. We have to finish what it's cooked, okay? In the refrigerator. I'm gonna cook vegetables. So guys, luto tayo ng angkati. Angkati ng bulbul. Ay, pag ano ng bulbul ba? Pag manubo na ganit ng bulbul. Bulbul, that's what you done. Burger. So, luto tayo ng gulay. Stir fry ko lang siya. Meron tayong garlic dito. Dinikdik ko lang yung garlic, guys. And then yun. My husband's going outside. It's time to control your smoke, though. So, luto tayo. Bumili si Tami ng mga vegetables. Bumili siya ng, ito mix. At saka bumili siya ng Brussels sprout. Masarap yung Brussels sprout. Kaso wala akong bacon. Masarap yun pag may bacon. Gulay-gulay. For dinner. Yung dalawang aso naglalaro sa labas. I need to take that thing, Han.
Okay.
The oil thing.
Yeah.
After we eat. Oregano oil, guys. Hi, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Roxy's not allowed, but look what happened. I yelled at her. She just looked at me.
You know her, she know you, you know her.
Yeah. So, dito si Tami, relax. Watching TV. We will probably sleep here tonight. We have a big house, big bedroom, but we're not gonna sleep over there. And you know who's sleeping in our bed, guys?
The little man.
Little bug. And Tommy is in bad pain.
I said, but she tried to come up here before and you chased her.
Yeah, no, she's not allowed over there. And me, I'm just doing my thing here while they are lie over there.
Get their fat cut out of the belly or something or another.
Celery. So, ngayon guys, maliligo lang ako later. And bukas maaga kami kasi appointment niya sa neurologist. I'm going to take a shower later. Busog. Bago katatapos lang namin kasi kumain. So, busog ako. So, hindi ako maligo muna mamaya na. Edit lang tayo. Iba yung naramdaman ko, guys. Ubo ako ng ubo. At parang ako may lagnat. I'm going to end this video. Inom lang tayo ng tubig. So, bukas na ako maligo. And anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Good night.